Hello everyone. In this session, we will explain how to sign up for Binance, a cryptocurrency futures exchange, step by step from the beginning. Please watch slowly and follow along. First, we will explain the process of creating a Binance account. To use the Binance app, install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. To start signing up, press the Sign Up button. You can register using either your email address or your phone number. Please enter the method you prefer. Check the agreement box below, and press the Continue button. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile phone. Enter the verification code to complete the authentication. Now please set your password. Your password must include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number, and it must be at least 8 characters long. Next, you will move to the Inviter registration step. At this step, you must press the Yes button. If you pass this step, you will no longer be able to register an inviter, so please make sure to register it before continuing with the sign-up. Then the referral ID input field will appear. In the referral ID field, enter BB333. If you do this, you will receive a lifetime 20% trading fee discount, and various bonus rewards on Binance. So be sure to enter BB333 before completing your registration. Second, we will explain the KYC verification process. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. First, select the country where you currently reside. Next, you need to proceed with identity verification. Several types of document options that can be used for verification will be displayed below. Please choose the identification document that is most convenient for you. This time, we will verify using a passport. Once your identification document is ready, press Take Pictures. Then, when the camera screen appears, align the passport information page within the frame, and take a clear photo. Once the photo is taken, the face verification step will begin. Place your face inside the frame, nod your head and blink your eyes, and the KYC verification process will be completed. Now the KYC application has been submitted, and the verification review will take about 1 hour. Once the review is complete, the account status will appear as verified. Third, we will explain the two-factor security setup process. To keep your account safe, we recommend setting up two-factor authentication. Please move to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon in the top left corner. Then press the arrow in the top right corner. Press the security menu to set up security settings. We will set up security using the Authenticator app, which provides the strongest protection. Press the Enable button to begin activation. After completing email or mobile verification, the Authenticator link screen will appear. On this screen, you can see Binance's 16-digit key. Please copy this 16-digit key and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Authenticator app. Press the plus button at the bottom right. Then select Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in the codename field, and paste the 16-digit key you copied earlier into the Your Key field. Press the Add button below. Then a 6-digit code for your Binance account will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Copy the generated 6-digit code. Then return to the Binance app. Press the Next button below, and the Authenticator app code input field will appear. Paste the 6-digit code there. Then Google Authenticator will be activated, and the two-step security setup will be completed. In this session, we explained how to sign up for Binance, a cryptocurrency futures exchange, step by step from the beginning. Did you follow along slowly? If you have any difficulties or questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, we would appreciate it if you subscribe and like the video. See you again next time.